You know that moment when the check engine light pops on and your heart sinks? Instead of guessing or paying a shop just to diagnose the problem, the right OBD2 scanner puts the answer in your hands. From simple code readers to professional diagnostic tools, choosing the best one can save you serious time and money. Today, we're breaking down the best OBD2 scanners for every budget. Links to all the products are in the description box below, so let's get started. Diagnosing today's vehicles often means interacting with systems, not just reading fault codes, and this scanner is built for that level of work. The INNOVA 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scanner delivers advanced diagnostics with active testing and bidirectional control on supported vehicles. It lets you trigger and test components like fuel pumps, cooling fans, and electronic parking brakes, which makes confirming repairs much faster. The tool covers engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems and supports OEM and OBD2 live data along with common reset functions. Its 3.5-inch color display is clear and easy to follow, and the menu system supports multiple languages for broader usability. Power comes straight from the vehicle's OBD2 port, so there's no battery to charge. The scanner feels sturdy in hand, with a balanced design that suits longer diagnostic sessions. When paired with the Repair Solutions 2 app, users gain access to verified fixes, repair guidance, and cost estimates, all without ongoing fees. Owners often mention how it brings shop-level features into a home garage. While vehicle compatibility can vary, most users report dependable performance and strong value for the capabilities offered. Built for drivers who want clear answers without extra fluff, this compact scanner gets straight to the point when a warning light comes on. The ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 scanner is a corded OBD2 reader designed specifically for emission-related engine diagnostics, keeping things simple and dependable. It works with all major OBD2 protocols, including CAN, ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and J1850, so it's compatible with most vehicles made after 1996 in the US and 2000 in Europe and Asia. The 2.4-inch display is sharp and easy to read, showing fault codes, live data, freeze frame details, and I&M readiness status without clutter. Since it draws power directly from the vehicle's OBD port, there's no need to worry about batteries or charging. Durability is one of its strong points. The thick 2.5-foot cable stays flexible, and the solid plastic housing holds up well to drops and regular garage use. The buttons are clearly marked and spaced far enough apart to make navigation straightforward, even for first-time users. Owners frequently mention how quick it is to set up and use. Code reading and clearing are fast, making it a practical choice for home diagnostics. While it doesn't cover ABS or airbag systems, most users feel it delivers strong value as a reliable, engine-focused tool. Car diagnostics have come a long way, and this wireless scanner shows how far things have progressed. The BLUEDRIVER Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scanner connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, turning it into a full-featured diagnostic tool through its companion app. Available for both iOS and Android, it goes beyond basic engine codes. On supported vehicles, it can also scan ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS systems. You can view live data in real time, whether the car is parked or on the road, and the app breaks down trouble codes with likely causes and repair suggestions. A big plus is that everything is unlocked from the start. There are no subscriptions or hidden fees. The scanner itself is small and lightweight, plugging directly into the OBD2 port and drawing power from the vehicle. Its compact size makes it easy to leave in the glove box without taking up space. Bluetooth performance is generally stable, and the hardware feels well made.
Many users say it pays for itself by cutting down on shop visits. The guided repair info and videos are especially helpful for DIY work. While some experience occasional connection issues depending on the vehicle or phone, most feedback is very positive. For drivers who want deeper insight without extra hardware, it's a strong option. When it comes to checking emissions readiness or tracking down engine problems, this scanner is built to keep things simple and accurate. The FOXWELL NT3001 OBD2 scanner is a plug-and-play tool focused on engine and emissions diagnostics, with the added benefit of live data graphing. It supports all standard OBD2 protocols and works with most vehicles made from 1996 onward. The 2.8-inch color screen is easy on the eyes and displays fault codes, freeze frame details, VIN data, and real-time sensor readings. Data can be viewed as plain text or graphs, which helps spot issues more quickly. Dedicated I and M readiness buttons and LED status lights make emissions checks fast and straightforward. Power comes directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port, so there's no battery to manage. The unit feels sturdy, with solid buttons and a screen that stays readable even in bright light. Free lifetime updates through a Windows PC help keep the scanner relevant over time. User feedback often highlights its accuracy and ease of use. Many see it as a strong step up from basic readers, offering more detail without added complexity. Although it doesn't scan ABS or airbag systems, most users find it reliable, stable, and well worth the price for home use or small shops. Professional-grade diagnostics are becoming more accessible, and this scanner is a good example of that shift. The BLCKTEC 460T OBD2 scanner brings full system diagnostics to home garages, covering engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, along with a wide range of reset and relearn functions. Its 4.3-inch color screen is large and easy to navigate, showing real-time OEM and OBD2 data with clear graphs and recording options. Features like Auto VIN, Auto Scan, and Auto Relink streamline the process by identifying the vehicle and scanning available systems automatically after connection. It supports most vehicles from 1996 onward across the US and Canada. Build quality feels solid and professional. The buttons respond well, and the interface is clean without feeling overwhelming. Free lifetime updates help keep the tool compatible as vehicle systems evolve. When connected to the Repair Solutions 2 app, users can access repair guidance, parts suggestions, recalls, and maintenance schedules in one place. Feedback is largely positive, with users pointing to its fast performance, large display, and strong feature set for the price. Many note that it replaces several individual tools and delivers dealership-level insight at home. For serious DIYers or technicians, it's often seen as a worthwhile long-term investment. Straightforward tools can still be very effective, and this compact scanner is a good example. The MOTOPOWER MP69033 OBD2 scanner is built around engine diagnostics, keeping the focus on features most drivers actually use. It reads and clears engine trouble codes and shows freeze frame data, live sensor readings, vehicle details, and I and M readiness status. The 2.7-inch LCD screen includes adjustable contrast, which makes it easier to read in different lighting conditions. With support for multiple OBD2 protocols, it works with most vehicles made from 1996 onward. Despite its small size, the unit feels well made. The thick, insulated cable holds up to regular use, and the buttons are clearly labeled for easy navigation.
Since it draws power directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port, there's no battery to charge or replace.
User feedback often points to its reliability and low cost. Many appreciate how quickly it's ready to use and how accurately it reports codes, especially for routine maintenance or check engine lights. While it doesn't scan ABS or airbag systems, most users agree it offers strong value for basic engine diagnostics. And that wraps up our list of the best OBD2 scanners you can buy right now. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional technician, the right scanner can save you time, money, and stress. All the scanners featured today are linked in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which scanner you'd pick. See you in the next one.